Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in a Rav4 key, Toyota Rav4, and this is from a 2020 model Rav4, but I think that the process is similar for all keys that look a little bit like this. So what you need to do at the bottom of the key, there's just a little lever there, little slide. You just pull that lever back to the left, and that allows you to pull out this spare key section. And then inside there you should be able to see a little slot in the middle there, and you can actually, if you want to use that little key, get that inside the slot, but I actually like using a screwdriver that actually fits that slot perfectly, and I think that's a little bit easier to do if you use a screwdriver. So push the screwdriver down into that slot that's in the middle there, and just turn that counterclockwise, and you hear the click. Put the screwdriver down, and then open up the key. And it's good if you, I'll just push the batteries to one side. With the key, it's best if you lay it flat as it sort of comes open. That makes it easier to put back together. And then this side, pop that out. There's the battery there that needs replacing, so you need to get another CR2032 battery to replace it, and that's what I've got here. And all you need to do is to pop out the old battery and pop in the new one. And if you look here, there's sort of 4 black little lugs that are holding the battery in, and the ones here at the bottom and on the right hand side move, and the top 2 there are fixed. So all we need to do is just get a little screwdriver, small little screwdriver, and over here where the lugs move, just pop that in, and out pops your battery. Put your old battery to one side. Okay, then pop out the replacement battery. The battery was actually quite hard to get out of the packet, but that's another story. And making sure you've got the positive side up, the side where you can see the 2032, and then just slide it in. So you slide it sort of under those fixed ones at the top first, and then just push it down carefully. It pops into place, and then you just simply put it back in the way it goes. There's a little sort of cutout there to make sure you can't put it in around the wrong way. And put the top case back together, clip it in, and push in that little key at the bottom, and there we go. That's how you replace a battery in a Rav4 key. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.